In a world filled with noise, one sound still carries harmony, the sound of healing. Aurora528 bridges ancient wisdom and modern science, where each vibration aligns the mind, body, and spirit. Through every note, your energy flows in harmony. Let the resonance of sound awaken your inner calm. Feel the light within each tone, where sound becomes healing. Aurora528, the healing frequency of the soul. This track combines the guqin and flute in the 432 Hz frequency to release head tension and bring clarity to your mind. Tonight, let the ancient tones of Xiao and Guzheng guide your mind into peace, and let the 432 Hz frequency lead you into deep, restful sleep. This track combines the 528 Hz frequency with the soothing tones of Eru and Xiao, helping you release neck and shoulder tension and restore inner balance. This track combines the 432 Hz frequency with the soothing tones of Guzheng and Pipa, helping you release lower back tension and restore balance and strength to your body. Let the 528 Hz frequency, the frequency of love, combined with guqin and Xiao, gently open your heart, release emotional tension, and guide you back to peace. This track combines the 432 Hz frequency with the flowing tones of Guzheng and Yangqin, gently harmonizing your digestive energy, releasing tension, and restoring natural balance. Let the 528 Hz frequency, combined with the energizing tones of Eru and Guzheng, recharge your body and restore your vitality. Let the 432 Hz frequency, combined with the gentle tones of Pipa and Guzheng, soothe your legs and joints, improve circulation, and restore effortless movement. Let the 528 Hz frequency, combined with the healing tones of guqin and Xiao, awaken your body's natural defenses, strengthen immunity, and protect your health. Let the 432 Hz frequency, combined with the soothing tones of guqin and Xiao, guide you to release heavy emotions and rediscover peace and hope. Let the 528 Hz frequency, combined with the calming tones of Guzheng and Xiao, gently soothe your emotional waves and guide your mind back to peace and balance. Let the 432 Hz frequency, combined with the calming tones of guqin and Yangqin, sharpen your mind and guide you into deep focus. Welcome to Aurora528 Star Wave Healing, a sanctuary of sound designed to restore, balance, and awaken your body, mind, and spirit. This all-in-one healing series blends the ancient wisdom of traditional Chinese instruments with modern therapeutic sound frequencies such as 432 Hz and 528 Hz, creating a unique sonic experience that works deeply on physical, emotional, and energetic levels. Each track in this series is thoughtfully crafted to support body repair, emotional balance, mental clarity, and holistic wellness. Whether you are seeking relief from pain, improving sleep, boosting your immune system, calming anxiety, or entering a deep meditative state, this collection guides you gently back into harmony. Thank you for watching. May love, light, and healing energy always surround you. Until next time, stay peaceful, stay balanced, and keep shining. Glowing star.